Welcome to the Private Chef Show. I'm Helen Cho with Private Chefs Inc., where we take you behind the scenes into the secret world of the private chef. In this episode, we're discussing the importance of documentation. In a high-end estate, your value is built on your ability to remember and refine the specific tastes of the household. Today, we're breaking down how to maintain a professional recipe book and a guest preference log to ensure your service remains consistent and personalized. A professional private chef should keep a meticulous record of every dish served. This isn't just a list of ingredients, it's a tailored history of the client's preferences. Every entry should include the specific techniques you used and any modifications made based on the family's feedback. This record is your best tool for managing the unique complexities of a household. It is common to have 2 or 3 different diets running at once. Perhaps one family member is keto, another is plant-based, and the children have their own specific likes and dislikes. You must take note of the dishes each person loves, and just as importantly, any specific ingredient a family member dislikes. Tracking these details ensures you are providing a bespoke experience for everyone at the table, without the friction of repetitive meals or accidental ingredients. A well-maintained book allows you to see exactly what has been served, helping you decide when to introduce something new. We also recommend taking photos of your plates. These visual records serve as a great reference for you to maintain your plating standards and can eventually be used to create a personalized collection for the client to cherish. Beyond the family, keeping track of frequent guests is essential. A guest log allows you to plan ahead by recording names and, most importantly, allergies and dietary restrictions. Knowing a visitor's medical or religious dietary requirements before they arrive prevents errors and shows a level of preparedness that clients expect. Record their likes and dislikes, including beverage preferences. While you focus on the kitchen, these notes are invaluable for the butlers and other household staff, ensuring every person in the home receives a seamless and highly personalized experience. Maintaining these records ensures that the household's preferences are never lost, even as their tastes evolve. It proves that you are managing the kitchen with a high level of care and attention to detail. Documentation is what allows you to provide a truly bespoke service that accommodates every member of the family. The details are what define the elite standard. By keeping these records, you ensure that the household is always taken care of at the highest level. For principals and estate managers seeking the highest standard in permanent culinary placements, visit privatechefsinc.com to begin your search. I'm Helen Cho, and this has been the Private Chef Show. We'll see you in the next episode. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more behind-the-scenes insights into the exclusive world of private chefs.